And welcome to Great Falls, Virginia. Steve from Estate Max here. A very special sale for you in Great Falls, Virginia. Coming to you 2 days only, Saturday and Sunday this weekend. It's a custom architecture house. The architect built it, designed it, and lived here himself. It's kind of smacks of Frank Lloyd Wright, very big open air plan design. I want to give you a heads up look what we have to offer you. It's really an interesting place. It's worth it to come just to see the house. But it's loaded with very interesting features. Early 1900s piano, very interesting piece. Something in every nook and cranny in this two-level open architecture house. It's fascinating. Lots of smalls, tons of smalls, costume jewelry, custom pieces, built-ins, ties and apparel, bedding. Books, really interesting book collection. Just researched a few of the books. Really cool titles, some rare books, some valuable books in 4 or 5 different places throughout the house. Park carefully so you don't block people. Come in towards the back of the house. It's easy to get in. We have giant sliding glass doors for you to come in at. Continuing our tour, we're still on the first floor, the upper floor. Then we'll go downstairs in a minute. Show you the smalls close up. Heading towards the kitchen. Into a giant pantry. By the way, if you like cookbooks, this place is loaded with really interesting cookbooks. Anything you see here that is not marked, you can make an offer on. A lot of mid-century stuff, a lot of 60s and 70s stuff. They like to cook here. Fondue, fondue. Interesting place, really is. Let's go downstairs, this custom stairwell. As you would expect, a custom bar with all the accoutrements. Great wicker in great condition, some Christmas. Here's the matching bench to the wicker. Like that. Some old slides and antique records. I like these red stools. These bar stools are classy. This is the original architectural office of the house. It's like it's frozen in time. Look at the view here. Looking down onto Great Falls, Virginia. There's an antique bookshelf downstairs. So Steve from Estate Max saying, don't miss this one. It's worth the drive to Great Falls, Virginia to see this custom-built architect's house and all the cool stuff therein. A lifetime worth of treasures from travels. Really interesting stuff. Address to be announced on our Facebook page called Estate Max and also on estatemax.org and estatemax.net on Friday because it's a Saturday, Sunday only sale. So this is Steve from Estate Max signing off. For Lori and Sharon and Marcia and the whole Estate Max team, we say we hope to see you this weekend. It's one you don't want to miss.